In episode 283 of Meditation Conversation, I delve into aromatherapy with expert guest Amy Anthony. You'll discover new ways of enhancing your well-being and how to incorporate these practices into your busy lifestyle.
And essential oils are these mind-body connectors in just the way I'm describing. You could smell an oil, work with them through meditation, work with them to smell and get into your body and notice where the oil's taking you, because plants have signatures and affinities for different parts of us. And then honestly, I'm so excited I'm sharing so much. I'm like, I won't stop talking. But then there's this really physical part, like I said, aches, pains, cramps, hormone balancing, even rage. Like it goes on.
It's so fascinating. The possibilities for a more holistic life experience using essential oils and botanicals is a vast topic. There are so many great nuggets in this episode, so be sure to check out the full episode 283 of the Meditation Conversation with guest Amy Anthony.